What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel, and today we're gonna continue with your project, but now we're gonna build your backend or web application. So for that I'm gonna use my Eclipse IDE, and with my Eclipse open I can go in File, New, Dynamic Web Project. I can give a name for a project that's gonna be Let's. I'm gonna do next, and I'm gonna check this box in here. Finish. Now we have a web application. Let's take a look at our project. Let's go to this folder in here, this package, src main java. Right click in here. Let's create a new class. We're gonna call this class user bin at dot lets dot user. Package name convention, we take your domain name. Let's take domain name.com. So you take a backward and put com dot then your domain name. This is what I'm doing here. I have a domain name called lets.at. So at first, let's, and here the name of your package that you're gonna create your project. So in here I want to specify that this package is gonna be used for all users. So user.model user bin. Finish. Now we're gonna take our database just to see. As you can see, we have ID, email, password, and situation. And datas. Okay, let's create a private integer ID, private string email, private string password, private string situation. For now, we are leaving situation as a string or char. Let's put char. But later we can change it for some entity and put it situation entity. So I'm sorry, we can have a relationship between user and the situation. And now we need data. We put insert data. Let's put private date. We are not to, let's use date for now, but we have a better ways to work with data, with date today, but for now let's use date. Insert time. Okay, now we have a update and delete. Later we're gonna move from a simple web application to something more advanced, more like you can create a monolithic, and then from the monolithic system we can create a microservice, because we're gonna use more microservice than web project when we work with Java. But it's good to know, it's good to understand how the web application, the Java web application works, so you can working legacy project that are legacy. You know, we have a lot of projects that was done in Java Web. So if you need to migrate for Spring to Spring, you need to understand, have a basic understanding of the Java Web to run the application. But now we need to do other thing. We have as you can see, we put it private, and we will not have a way to access these attributes. For there, we can come here, right click, source, and generate get and set, select all. Now we have a public method to access each of your attributes. Now we still have more thing to do. We have a profile. Let's create a profile, and we're gonna create a profile model. Profile. We can leave everything together because profile is something from user, but you're gonna put it separate. Let's put different package, profile model, and it's gonna be profile bin. Name of class. By convention, first letter capital and camel case the rest. Each other word gonna be capital. Okay. Finish. Now for our profile, let's take a look on the database. Oh, we have a image, username, name, bio, private, username, string, private, integer, id, private string name, private string bio. The same thing, generate get and set. Okay, we can implement serializable, but not now. We have a more important thing. We need to create a relationship. One user, I want to have one or more profiles, so my list of profiles. Let's create a private profile. Let's create a list of profile. And call its profile bin. We need to get and set for it. Let's do a get and set. Finish. And now we're gonna have a entity, a model that we're gonna call, let's see, link bin. We're gonna refer it to a link database, link table. Let's finish. Oh, I did something wrong. Let's change something here. Let's create a new package. and put link model finish. Let's move it for the link in here. Okay. Now what do we have in link? Let's take a look on the database. Okay, link, we have a title, ID, URL, code, profile, and okay. Let's do one thing. Private, integer, ID. Private string title, private string URL, private string URL code, okay. What else we're gonna do? Link. We're gonna have a profile, gonna have a list of link. Profile, profile, private link, link no, list, sorry, list with link bin. Let's call link. Generate getting set. Save. Let's create getting set for all link by our link bin. We could create a relationship between link and profile, but for now I'm gonna just profile can see the link, not the link can see the profile. Doesn't matter. Later we change. We're gonna change it if we need, but for now this is what it is. Now we have the stream module that we're gonna use. Let's create a new attribute in here and let's call integer ID. User no, profile ID. I only want to have a profile ID. I don't have a whole reference to the object profile. And on all profile I can do the same on profile for user. My profile will have a reference for my user by ID. User ID. Let's create our getting setting. Now we have our beans, and also I want to do something in here. Let's create your index. You can go to src main and web app, right click new JSP. If you don't find a JSP, you can go in orders and search there. I'm gonna click JSP in here, index.jsp. I can go next or finish because I already have this template in here. Now we're gonna create let's give it the name of your website in here on the title. Let's home and tag 821. Hello. I want to create 3 links in here. One I'm gonna say, let's go to home. Or they're gonna be a login page. And the other one are gonna be sign up. The new page is gonna be sign up JSP, login JSP, and index JSP. Login, index. Let's save, and then we can create 2 more pages. JSP, login.jsp, enter. Let's add the same elements. Now we're gonna create a sign up page. Sign up JSP. Finish. The same thing we're gonna put in here. But now let's change the name of the page. Let's put it sign up. The other one gonna be login, and home. Let's save it all. Now let's start your application. We're gonna need to go to our web server, right click, add and remove to add your char. So we can do double click in your char, or in your wall we can do double click or add and finish. Now we're gonna go to your service again, right click and start. Let's see if it's gonna work. Let me go to my web page in here. Or you can see our application is online in your local host, and all pages are done. All these 3 pages. So for now, I think I'm done because it's getting late at night now, and I'm starting to be tired. So I'm gonna try to update this project every week until we finish. I will make one video every week. So